Hey. What'd you say? Say that again, please. Please say that again for YouTube. Please say that again. He ran away. He said he's been having a rough time for his white people. I heard him say that shit. He a wild boy. He a wild boy, because I was ready to clown that nigga. He ran away though, so he did say that. We're gonna let him get away with that shit because he ran away, but wow. I'm out here with my boys. I'm my nigga Twan out. Oh, can we use your alias tonight? Can we use it? I got my nigga Trippin' Twan out tonight. I got my nigga Dame out tonight, man. We out here, man. College World Series. And it's nighttime. It's a beautiful night. Y'all hear the music, so we going to the most proper spot for nightlife anyway. And I'm on Nebraska for College World Series. We going to the motherfucking old mattress factory. I don't know why that's the most proper spot. Not the new mattress factory, but the old. Please say the old mattress factory. We going down there and we're gonna see what the fuck the shit's about. We faded, man. I shouldn't even be recording right now, but we are. This is the stage. You gotta relax. Dang, you gotta relax. If you about to have me knocking somebody out, you gotta fucking relax. But we coming out here, man. Hey, y'all, they playing that. They play what's that shit? They playing that shit, so you know it's on. Just going down, man. We gonna go in here and see what's up. We gonna go here and see what's going on with it, man. Y'all roll with me. Yeah. What you said?
My name is Aaron Runnius. That's for Chiefs.
Yeah, I'm with you. I usually have my KC Chiefs hat on, but I don't tonight. It's all good. It's okay. It's okay.
No, but I am from.
But she feeling good. That's all I know. Hey, that's all we know. Look at that.
What you think about these things?
What you think about them? What do you really think?
Oh, shit.
Don't pay no attention to it. Don't even worry about it. Have you a good night, all right? You're going to be on YouTube, though. Don't even worry about it. There it is. He in there. YouTube, baby. Let them know what time it is. Look. Set tripping already. There they go. Niggas can't get along for that. Yeah. All right, man. Follow that nigga, man. I don't know, man. Following this nigga. Following you, Dane.
Yeah, but I think everything.
Alright. We didn't come this way. Look, Dane's feeling good. We didn't come this way last time, but we going this way this time. Hopefully we don't have to pay it again. Right. I'm sure we will though.
Who's ready to turn the fuck up right now?
Hey!
Just like, let me see you guys. What up, Leah?
Food over this way. Look like the food shit is shut down right now. We out here kind of late, but you know FlyFreshTaDef. I'm gonna be out here wherever the food is at, wherever the party is at. In Omaha, Nebraska, I'm there, man. My fam is there, man. I mean, we here, man. There are black people in Nebraska. I don't know if you knew this. There are black people in Nebraska. Yeah. And we don't look nothing like Belly. I'm just letting y'all know. We lit. There's some cool motherfuckers out here, man. So we gonna show y'all. Y'all keep fucking with us, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's up, all right? Roll with me.
Yeah, we all gonna
Two, I'm following you. I'm following you. Hey, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. So yeah, man, we out here. College World Series. This shit is about to be a wrap. They shutting everything down. FlyFreshTaDef. I'm out here though. I'm tipsy. I don't like shooting video when I'm tipsy, but for y'all, I will do it just this one time. It might happen again, I don't know. But we out here, College World Series, man. This shit's a wrap. And we gonna get with y'all though. We might go to another spot though. Y'all come with me, alright? I'm not even gonna hold y'all, man. Omaha don't look like this on a regular. Not on a regular. College World Series weekend though. It be kind of lit, a little bit, just a little bit. Old Mattress Factory. Y'all on that old shit. Y'all on that old shit.
Old Mattress Factory, that's where they're at.
Yes, hold on. Yes. Let me know what was the most fun spot tonight?
Mattress Factory.
Mattress Factory. Yes. That's where we was at. What's your name? What's your name?
Oh yeah, fuck. I was like all in there.
Yes.
Come to Bushwhackers.
Bushwhackers. That's where it's at next. That's the next spot.
Yes.
Okay.
All week.
Okay. All week.
Flipping Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
Come see me.
Oh, what's your name?
Becky.
Becky.
Becky with the good hair.
Becky with the fucking beautiful hair. Yes. You know what? We coming to Bushwhackers just for you, Becky. Okay. Yes. There it is. On YouTube, say what's up. We gonna walk to the Slowdown real quick, man. That's the beautiful thing about CWS time downtown. It is, everything is within 5 minutes of each other. So you can walk to the next spot, 5 minutes. Look, Jesus Christ. Guys, I ain't even got monetized yet. Y'all already trying to get me demonetized. Jesus Christ. Like I was saying, everything pretty close to each other. Downtown Omaha, CWS. We in the back of Old Mattress Factory right now. We on our way to the Slowdown. Beautiful. Beautiful scenery on the way there. A little 5-minute walk and we be right there at the Slowdown, man. Y'all come with us. We're gonna show y'all the black down over there. Over yonder. We ain't fucking with the black tonight, man. We going back to the Slowdown. Little 5-minute walk, man. I'm following my guys. They drunk. Hold up, they running. God damn it. Hold up. This nigga's about to get me killed. All right. It smells good as shit over here, boy. Woo! All right, I see this. This is the next spot where everybody at. Rocco's. I do not remember the shit. But that shit hit different, didn't it? The Mo just out here. What the fuck was you doing outside?
Like goddamn, man. It's just too goddamn much going on outside.
Fuck was you doing outside, Mo, B? Yeah, see, that lets you know the slowdown is where it's at. Cause Mo was just outside, just doing something strange outside. That lets you know this where it's at. Well, they already got more food over here than the fucking old mattress factory, so I'm fucking with that. I don't know if y'all know that. I don't know if y'all know me, FlyFreshTaDef, y'all might have heard of me. I like food. So they got a couple little food options. They got the food truck over there. Food truck over there. Yeah, they got a couple more options over here, man. I'm with that shit, man, all day. But it's definitely starting to slow down. The thing that kind of sucks about this shit is they start shutting on the music around fucking 1 o'clock. They don't close the shit down till 2. They start shutting down music. What's good, bro? They start shutting shit down. They start shutting the music down. Basically the vibe around 1 o'clock. So, yeah, man. I ain't gonna be out here too long. I need my music. I need a vibe to get the shit. You know what I mean? To really feel some type of vibe. I'm gonna give my people. These niggas are already fucking dipped off on me. That shit done shut down. We out here, man. College World Series, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. I'll show you. Enough niggas in here. I guess for 1 o'clock, there's enough people in here. Let's see what the indoors talking about though. Two. Pay to get in here, man, so I paid for one drink. I paid, hold up, Mo. What you gotta say, Mo B?
Public service announcement.
Oh shit, what you gotta say?
Motherfucking ass still ugly, man. You ugly, man. Don't worry about that shit. You think you was ugly yesterday?
Yes.
You were ugly today?
Yes.
You're gonna be ugly tomorrow.
Yes, well.
Every motherfucker keep going, though.
Your ugly ass up.
That's the goal in life, man.
That part, what he said, and we all ugly to somebody.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
I'm pretty.
Well, except for Twan, he pretty. He a pretty. That's pretty much. I'm pretty boy head motherfucker right there. I'm drunk, man. Look, man, don't ask for much from me. Don't ask for much footage from me. When I'm tipsy, when I'm drinking, this is what you get. I hope y'all appreciate it, man. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that good shit. I'm gonna bring y'all more shit from Omaha, man. If you old, or if you just lame, or you just whatever, you don't want to come out, I'm gonna get out here for you, okay? I'm gonna show you. Hit that button, man. I fuck with y'all. FlyFreshTaDef. I'll holla at y'all.